We're going to continue our discussions with congruent triangles, and today we will review the side-side-side theorem. The theorem states if three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, then both triangles are congruent. And here's a brief example. So here we have triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Now, in our last video, remember the acronym CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So side AB is congruent, or corresponds rather, to side length DE and are congruent. BC corresponds to EF and are therefore congruent. Side AC corresponds to DF and are likewise congruent. So as we see, all three sides here in ABC correspond with all three sides in DEF, and they're of the same length, so therefore they are congruent, and therefore both triangles are congruent. If you like this video, please give it a like and follow my channel for more math tutorials.